Oh, hello guys. In this video, we are going to make stickers. This video, not only I am going to be here, but my dog is also. Come back, Snoopy. Are you naughty? Ah! Okay, so let us start. We are going to need some scissors, paper, which I already showed you, butter paper, tape, sketches, and a pen. Guys, these are what I made for my stickers. House, some Coke, this, my dog, and this, some cherry. So now we have to tape them. Let's tape it up. We have taped them. It's time to cut them. And here is a butter paper. Put them aside. Let's use this. I have to tape this spot all where we want to keep our stickers. Tape. Tape them up. Don't look at the distractions. It was hard. See even if I do like this. This will happen. Okay. It's time to cut them again. So our stickers are ready. We are going to paste only the cherry. Okay. So let's paste. What's coming? I see it. I've made this like you can see one of my stickers right here. I paste. It's gonna be the same. See it peeling. Let's paste it here. Little cherry. Yay! Let's just paste one more in a different spot. Paste this one. Why did you eat the eraser? He literally ate the whole eraser. Where's that one piece? See, this is a piece of the eraser he laid all. Pepper, look. I forgive him. Don't use your game. Okay, now we are going to paste this one. You can read that. Here's it. Let's peel it. Nice. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Normal. Made it into. This is the most weirdest strawberry. The hell is this? 2 strawberries merged together.